Okay, so we're trying our first pieces. This is the women's amplified leggings in the color Willow. The top is the women's Stratus crop tank in the color Ocean. I just picked out a few different pieces that I thought I would like just by the pictures. Obviously, this is a first impression of this brand. I have tried some other brands in the past, and if you want to see those videos, I'll post them here. But this is the first time trying Alphalete. I want to be able to review all of these and give you my first impressions. If it helps you out to pick a brand that you're comfortable with, there's nothing better than a great fit, one that you feel good in, one that you're comfortable in, and one that you're going to get through a workout with. Starting with the leggings, it's a size small. All the pieces, by the way, are size small. I don't think I got anything other than a size small. Wanted to test out how they fit on me first before I size up or down and try some other lines. The leggings are very comfortable. It does have a little bit of a slight butt scrunch. You know, it still's got some give. And it has like a darker detailed line around the hips and it goes down. The leggings feel very comfortable enough for me to move around. They're very squat proof. The material is very stretchy and very comfortable, and I believe that it's very flattering. They have the nice soft detail on the back. Now, as far as this top goes, it's not made for high intensity workouts. It doesn't have a lot of support, but I feel like it's nice and cute. It's very comfortable. You can wear this either to the gym or dress it up and go out. You know, both day and evening outfit type of deals. It does come up higher on the neck, but I don't feel like it's choking me. It's very stretchy. Probably wear this one for like a yoga session, a stretching session, or maybe Pilates. You know, you could definitely do that with this one, but no high intensity. Let's try the other pieces. All right, next piece here is another sports bra and shorts this time. I'm gonna say second pieces that I'm putting on, and I am very, very impressed so far. I hate to say it yet, but this might be my new favorite brand, but I still gotta test it out at the gym. The true test is always going to be at the gym. When you start working out, when you start sweating, and you see how the clothes perform under duress. These are actually the same material as the leggings that I just tried. These are the women's Amplify short and 4.5 inches in the color black, and then this one is the women's Amplify Gemini bra in the color Blade, and it's also a small. So far these shorts are a good length if you want to keep them the length that they come in, but of course you could always scrunch them up to your liking. I feel like, you know, if I do shorts like this for leg day, that I need them hyped up just a little bit, and as a shorter girl, I don't like too long of shorts because then I look shorter. So I do like the detail of the bra up here. I think this is a very nice detail. These things here are removable, so you can wear it as just a bandeau, or you can design your own style. Right now these two go around the neck, and then you have these. So if you only want to wear, which probably this is what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the center ones and just keep the outer ones. I don't like a lot of things close to my neck. It gives me anxiety. The back, this is what it looks like. Also be a good for back day, so you can show your back gains, and it's still nice and compressive where it's going to protect girls from any exposure. This is nice and tight. So love the colors. I like the stretchability of the brand. The materials of this line, apparently I chose all Amplify. So far so good with the Amplify line. I'll check the other ones to see what those are. They come up high, but not as high as the leggings did. You can never go wrong with a black piece of leggings or shorts. You can pair them with any color. It doesn't go out of style, and it's always nice and classy. Next pieces, here we go. We have these lighter shorts. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone, and I'm trying to go with like different colors. These are a little longer. You could always scrunch them up to your comfort level. I think I like the material. I don't love the color just because I don't know if that's how the color is or what. I feel like maybe they're a little bit too see-through here because it's designed around the glutes, like it's a lighter material. I don't think I would go with these for like a squat day or a leg day, maybe for an upper body day, because they're still very comfortable and They do move very well, and of course they give you a nice lift in the glutes. I do like how they fit, give you a nice flattering angle without being super uncomfortable. Definitely for like an upper body day, these would definitely be my go-to. So I have one more legging to show you. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10 for comfort. I give it a 9 out of 10 for design and color, and I give it a 10 out of 10 for the material. It feels so nice against your body. So these are the Amplified Contour shorts at 5 inches. So these are a little longer in length, and they're in the color Grand Central. Contour, hence the name, has that nice contour in the back. These, I would say, maybe get a darker color just for me, because I like to feel comfortable and I like to be able to look comfortable as well. But other than that, very, very nice. Got one more piece. All right, this is the last piece. This one is the women's Amplify leggings in the color Pixel Pink. This is definitely not my jam as far as color goes. I feel like I look like a flamingo in this, to be honest. I thought it was going to be more of a peachy color the way it looked on the site, but it's definitely pink. Nothing against the color pink. I just don't feel like it's one of those colors that it's flattering on my skin tone. Yeah, I don't know how feel about the color. As far as the material goes, loving the material. It's so comfortable. It does give you a little bit of a compression here, but again, it's not super compressive. Still has a lot of give. Nice contour in the back. I love the fit and I love the feel, but I'm not loving the color. Does it go well with my skin tone? I don't think so. So it might just be me, but I'm not feeling the pink. It's way too pink for me. It definitely is not muted. It's nice and bright, saying, hey, I'm here. This is definitely going to be a little bit out of my comfort zone. I don't have like a pink sports bra to go with it. I'm gonna have to find maybe like a black sports bra to go with it to kind of mute it down a little bit. I don't know. We'll test it out at the gym. That is all the pieces that I have to show you. 2 leggings, 2 shorts, and 1 crop top and a sports bra. I'll definitely be ordering some of the other styles, but so far I believe that Alphalete high up there for me. That is all. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my upcoming review videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Like always, I will see you in the next video. Bye!